National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Lincoln County in east central Georgia, northern McCormick County and central South Carolina until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:51 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Lincoln, or 17 miles northeast of Washington, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include McCormick, Lincoln, McCormick County Airport, Elijah Clark State Park, Plum Branch, Hickory Knob State Resort Park, Vorto, Baker Creek State Park, Leroy's Ferry Recreation Area, Willington, Curry Hill, Whitetown, Haw Creek Campground, and Long Cane Creek Picnic Area. The following is a special weather statement.